Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's adventure is gonna be so exciting. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. How are you feeling here, Ali?
Good.
Is this zoo good or the Australian? Or the Australian zoo is good?
Australian zoo.
Why?
Because it has way more animals.
Okay. Which is your favorite animal?
Koala.
Okay. Are you having fun here?
Yes.
Great. Let's go and enjoy the rest of the animals. This monkey looks sick. Oh. 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 Eh. Eh. I think they're scared of me. Come on, cheeky monkey, are you scared of me? Do you know about these deer?
Yes, they have lots of oxygen and have white eyes.
Okay. Are they harmful?
Yes?
Can you say it again, please?
They don't eat a lot.
Okay. It can run 64 km per hour. Guys, let's read the fun facts of Rhea.
They lived up to 20 years in
Can you read the fun facts?
small animals. Rheas are large, flightless birds, similar to ostriches and emus. They are known for their speed and can
Guys, the fun fact. They can run 64 km per hour. Ali, there we saw Rheas. What is the difference between Rheas and ostriches?
They are taller and bigger. They're taller and bigger. And these are way faster.
Okay, and the Rheas are not faster and they are not taller.
No.
No, but we read the fact. The fact says they can run 64 km per hour.
They can run faster than a car.
No, they cannot run faster than a car. But they can run 64 kilometers. Their speed is maximum 64 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
Ali, can you tell me why there are a lot of chickens in a llama's cage?
I don't know.
Sorry, in our ostrich cage.
I don't know.
Why? I think so. The ostriches are nice to the chickens. That's why they have put the chickens in the ostrich cage.
I think they're both friends.
Yeah. Look, they are eating together.
Yep, they are.
Yeah. Ali, what is the difference between llama and the sheep?
Llamas are way taller than sheep and way furrier.
Yeah, and they are very cute.
Yep.
And let's go to see the another animal. Guys, look at this massive lion. I think so. It's very angry. Hey, lion! It's very powerful. Look at his style. Look at his mouth. Ali, are you scared of this lion?
No, he looks cute.
Huh? What?
He looks cute. He looks calm.
He looks cute?
Yeah, and calm.
Oh, Ali, look there. We're gonna feed cheetah. Yeah. Look at the tail of the lion. It's.
Lion, look at us.
I think so. It's very angry.
Yeah, you better not put the mic over there.
Do you like lions?
No.
No. Why?
Because they look scary and they do not look cool.
What first you said they look cute?
I don't know. What happened right now?
Nothing. I was scared to see the lion. It's very dangerous.
Yep. Wait.
Yes.
Better not put the mic over there.
Okay. They can eat humans.
No, they don't. They eat meat.
Yes. If any human will go in, they will eat it. Look at the mouth of the lion.
I think they throw the food from the roof from there.
Yes. Ali, look at this massive tiger. It's a white tiger. I think so we should feed them. Do you want to feed the tiger?
No. Feeding point in.
Ali, what do you think? Are lions dangerous or tigers?
Tigers.
Tigers. Why? Lion is known as jungle's king.
Yeah, but they are very aggressive.
Okay, come, let's go ahead. Let's feed the tigers. Guys, I was scared to feed the tigers, but I had to do that. Ali, now it's your turn. Are you excited to feed the tigers? Good. Guys, now we're gonna feed lion. Ali, do you wanna feed lion?
No,
Why?
because they look scary.
Okay. But I'm gonna feed. story. Why do they live in the water?
Because the ducks.
Okay. Can they swim?
Yes.
Are they good swimmers?
Yes.
Look, some ducks are white and some ducks are brownish. They are very cute.
Yeah.
Do you love the ducks?
No.
Why?
Because they swim, but they only float.
Okay, I love ducks.
Why?
Look at this duck. It's very cute.
Yeah.
By the way, I also do not love ducks. They are actually very smelly.
Yep. Very, very smelly.
Come, let's go to the next animal.
Okay.
Are you enjoying in the zoo?
Yep.
Okay. Hey Ali, why are they making so noise?
I don't know.
These are called budgies. These are Australian parrots. I think so. These are your neighbors.
No, they're not. My sister's friend has one. Korean.
Oh, okay. I also had these 5, 6, but they flew in the air.
Oh, let's go to the next animal.
Okay. Look at the deer.
They're not deer, they're goats.
Oh, sorry. They are so big and so good.
Yeah, look at the big horns one.
Yes, the horns.
They have spiky horns. They have yellow eyes also. They look like sheep, and some of them say bear.
Ali, I think so. If we will mess with this goat will hit us with their spiky horns.
Yeah, that's actually kind of right, but I don't think so. That will happen with train. It's a train.
Yes. I love goats. Do you love goats?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, these are called crown pigeons. Ali, why are they called crown pigeons?
I don't know. Maybe it's because the thing's on the head.
Yeah, they have a type of crown on their head.
I think they're from Victoria.
I think so. They can also bite us.
They look harmless.
Come on, guys. Let's have fun with them. Guys, I think so. These two lions or lioness are sleepy. Look at their eyes.
Yeah, they look very sleepy, right?
Yeah. I don't like them because they are not roaming around. They are only sitting. Let's go. Guys, have you enjoyed the video? Tell me in the comments and wait for the part 2.